What's up guys, this is Tampa Tech, and in spirit of Halloween, I'm going to show you some cool tech masks that you can buy. So this mask is the Cyclops mask, and it's called Digital Duds. This is on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the video description below. The mask is high quality rubber, one size fits all, and the paint job is pretty realistic. And inside there's padding, there's holes so you can breathe and see out of. You have to download the app to get this mask animated. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And it's available for iPhones and Android phones. So this is the app you have to download right here. Once again, it's for iPhone or Android phones. And my phone is the S9, Samsung S9. It's around, I think, like a 5 or 6 inch screen. They sell shirts, other masks as well. So if you don't like the Cyclops, you could get the scary clown mask or other masks they have available, even the zombie masks. They have the Terminator mask. They have it's kind of like a Bioshock mask. This is the one I have, the Cyclops, and play animation. You can also zoom in and out. All right, let's go ahead and place it in. Oh, it goes sideways. What I highly recommend before you go ahead and put the phone in the mask is you want to put your phone in Do Not Disturb mode. Right here. Do Not Disturb mode. You can shrink it a little bit more. Maybe make it bigger. That looks good. Oh man, that looks real. That looks pretty cool. I'm gonna freak people out this year. Do you think it's stupid, or do you think it's kind of cool? I think it's realistic. I love these masks. You have an $800 phone, might as well use it for Halloween. Let me get my son's reaction.
Yes, sir.
What do you think?
To the toilet. It sounds like I threw like a live fish into the toilet and it's swimming around.
So guys, if you're interested in the Digital Duds mask, check out the links in the video description below. If you know anyone that may be interested in an animated mask, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them. Give me a big thumbs up if you thought this video was awesome. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest videos. Happy Halloween!